Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to seal your crimp with Elmer's glue and fingernail polish. Now this one I did 24 hours ago, but I'm going to show you how to do it with Elmer's glue, what it looks like, and then I'll show you what it does when you seal them. You just want to take your Elmer's glue and you want to just put a little dot right in the middle. About like that right there. Okay, and then come back with a pick, and this is a dental pick, and you just want to move it into the groove just like that right there, so it all makes a nice little star. And then as it dries, the glue kind of shrinks up a little bit, and then it'll look like this one here. And this one was done 24 hours ago. This one hasn't been done at all. And then after your glue dries, you want to go back with the fingernail polish, and you want to put a good coat on there. And you just go around the groove like this, seal right up to the edge of it. And I usually put about 4 dips in there, and it seals up real nice. And you get a nice color code, and there you go. You're good to go. And guys, let me advise that when you do your reloads, send them off to a lab. It only costs $40, and I believe this is the best thing that any loader can do. After you crimp, Elmer's glue, seal them up. That's tip of the week.